Looking to take your sewing game to the next level? Whether you're a beginner just starting your stitching journey or an experienced pro looking for an upgrade, choosing the right sewing machine can make all the difference. But with so many models out there, finding the perfect blend of features, performance, and value can feel overwhelming. That's why we've done the legwork for you and compiled this list of the top 5 best sewing machines of 2025. From user-friendly options to heavy-duty workhorses, we've got something for every skill level and project. Sparkles, which machine will claim the #1 spot? Party Popper, which one fits your creative needs and budget? Wrench, and which one delivers the best value for your hard-earned cash? Stick around until the end. You won't want to miss our top pick. Let's get stitching and dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, a machine that lives up to its name. If you're looking for speed, strength, and reliability, this powerhouse is designed to handle everything from delicate fabrics to thick, multi-layered materials like denim and leather. Let's talk about power. This machine features a strong motor with enhanced piercing ability, making it perfect for heavy-duty sewing. With a lightning-fast speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, you can complete large projects in record time. And thanks to its full metal frame, stability is never an issue, ensuring smooth and precise stitching even when working at high speeds. But it's not just about speed. The 4423 is packed with 97 stitch applications, giving you a variety of options for decorative, stretch, and essential utility stitches. Need a buttonhole? The one-step buttonhole feature ensures a perfect, professional quality buttonhole every time, with no guesswork. Lighting is no problem either, thanks to the built-in LED light, which brightens up your workspace and reduces eye strain during long sewing sessions. Plus, the included accessory kit gives you everything you need: several presser feet, extra needles, bobbins, a seam ripper, and even a soft cover to keep your machine dust-free. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or an advanced sewer tackling large projects, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 delivers unmatched power and precision at an affordable price. But don't go anywhere, because the next sewing machine on our list takes things up a notch. Stay tuned for number 4. Number 4. Bernette B77, the ultimate sewing companion. We have the Bernette B77, a machine designed to offer a premium sewing experience for both beginners and experienced sewists. If you want a versatile, high-performance machine that brings your creative ideas to life, this one's for you. The Bernette B77 is equipped with a dual feed system, which ensures even fabric feeding, making it perfect for working with thick fabrics like denim or delicate materials like silk. Its adjustable presser foot pressure gives you full control over your fabric, delivering flawless stitching every time. With over 500 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and quilting stitches, the B77 offers endless possibilities for any project. Whether you're creating intricate designs, piecing together a quilt, or sewing a garment, this machine delivers consistent, high-quality results. The intuitive touchscreen display allows you to easily select stitches, adjust settings, and customize designs. Plus, it comes with a built-in needle threader and automatic thread cutter, making setup and operation quicker and easier than ever. Its spacious sewing area is perfect for quilting or working on large projects, and the bright LED lighting ensures you can see your work clearly, even in low-light settings. The 8-piece presser foot set gives you the flexibility to tackle various techniques, including zipper sewing, buttonholes, and free-motion quilting. With its innovative features, user-friendly design, and Swiss-engineered precision, the Bernette B77 will take your sewing skills to the next level. Number 3. Brother XN2701, lightweight and full of features. We have the Brother XN2701, a versatile and lightweight sewing machine that's perfect for beginners and experienced sewists alike. If you're looking for a machine that is easy to use, reliable, and full of features, this model will not disappoint. The Brother XM2701 offers 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and stretch stitches, making it ideal for a wide range of projects, from clothing alterations to home decor creations. It's designed to be user-friendly, featuring an easy-to-read stitch selector dial, so you can quickly switch between stitches without any hassle. This machine also comes with 6 included feet, including a buttonhole foot, zipper foot, and a free motion foot, giving you everything you need for a variety of sewing techniques. Whether you're sewing a straight seam or experimenting with intricate designs, the XM2701 provides the tools to make your projects look professional. Weighing just only 13 pounds, this sewing machine is extremely portable, making it perfect for those with limited space or anyone who needs to take it to classes or sewing events. Despite its lightweight build, it's durable and offers smooth stitching on a variety of materials, including lightweight cotton, denim, and even knits. The Brother XM2701 combines functionality, ease of use, and a compact design, all at a great price. It's the ideal choice for anyone looking to start their sewing journey with a reliable, easy-to-operate machine. Number 2. JUKI TL-2000Qi, the quilter's dream machine. We have the JUKI TL-2000Qi, a top-tier sewing and quilting machine that offers the perfect blend of precision, power, and ease. Whether you're an experienced quilter or a passionate sewist, this machine is designed to deliver flawless stitching on a wide range of projects, from delicate fabrics to heavy-duty quilting. The JUKI TL-2000Qi is equipped with a high-speed straight stitch, capable of sewing up to 1,500 stitches per minute, which ensures that you can complete your quilting and sewing projects quickly and efficiently. The large work area and extended sewing bed make it ideal for handling big quilts, giving you the space to work comfortably on larger projects without feeling cramped. The automatic needle threader, automatic thread cutter, and adjustable presser foot pressure make setup and sewing incredibly easy, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than dealing with technicalities. The foot control is also highly responsive, giving you precise control over your stitching. With its durable, all-metal frame and advanced quilting features, the TL-2000Qi is built to handle heavy-duty tasks while maintaining smooth, consistent stitching. It also features a robust feed system, ensuring that even thicker fabrics or multiple layers are fed smoothly. For quilters who demand precision, speed, and ease of use, the JUKI TL-2000Qi is an unbeatable choice. This premium machine is truly a game-changer for any quilting enthusiast. Number 1. Janome MC6650, the ultimate sewing and quilting powerhouse. We have the Janome MC6650, a sewing and quilting machine that is truly in a class of its own. Whether you're a professional quilter or a serious sewist, this machine brings precision, durability, and unmatched versatility to the table, making it the ultimate choice for your sewing projects. The Janome MC6650 features an impressive 170 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and quilting stitches, giving you a wide range of creative possibilities. Its advanced needle threader and automatic thread cutter streamline the sewing process, so you can focus on your designs instead of tedious setup tasks. One of the standout features of the MC6650 is its large 9-inch throat space, which provides ample room for handling large quilts, bulky fabrics, and other oversized projects. This extra space allows for more freedom of movement, especially when working on complex quilting patterns. The MC6650 is equipped with a high-speed straight stitch, capable of sewing at up to 1,000 stitches per minute, ensuring that you can finish projects quickly without sacrificing quality. The precision feed system guarantees smooth fabric handling, even with thick layers or delicate materials. Built with a durable metal frame and advanced quilting features, the Janome MC6650 offers outstanding performance and reliability, making it the go-to choice for any quilter or sewist who demands exceptional results. For those looking for the best in quality, versatility, and ease of use, the Janome MC6650 is truly the best of the best. And there you have it, folks, our picks for the top 5 best sewing machines of 2025. Whether you're looking for precision, versatility, or ease of use, we've got a machine for every type of sewist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more sewing tips, reviews, and guides. And if you have any questions or thoughts about these machines, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Which one was your favorite? Or is there a sewing machine you think should have made the list? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy stitching! Until next time, stay creative and keep sewing.